Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be showing you the DeWalt 3-port wall charger. The model number for this product is DXMA1310869. If you've been following my channel for a while, you've probably seen me feature other DeWalt chargers. This one is a little bit different in that it has GaN or gallium nitride technology, which is more efficient than other semiconductors, and that it can provide a lot of charging power without it getting really hot and causing reliability or safety issues. You could actually fast charge 3 devices at one time with a total output of up to 65 watts, and it's also up to 70% faster than the standard chargers. Now the top 2 ports are a Type C, and then the bottom is a Type A. It's nice and compact. It measures 2 by 2 by 2.5, and it has that rugged exterior with a rubber overmolding like a lot of the DeWalt tools. So it's durable in rough environments. And I do also like that the yellow color makes it easy to spot, especially if you're working with a bunch of people on a job site. There's multiple chargers plugged in. You can see exactly which one is yours. I also like that the plug on the back folds up. So at the end of your shift, you could throw it in a tool bag and be on your way. You don't have to worry about that prong breaking off. Also, if you want to know the specs, they're printed right there on the back of the body. It features optimized energy efficiency and heat dissipation for faster and safer charging. This charger does have universal compatibility. It uses both the PD and PPS type technology. One thing I do want to point out, it comes just as is. There isn't a cord included. And if you're going to charge 3 devices, you'll need 3 cords. This is available right now in my Amazon shop for $42.99. So if you are interested in purchasing this product, I will include shopping links in the description. If you have any questions on things maybe I didn't cover, leave them for me in the comments. If I don't know, I'll reach out to the company directly to find those answers for you. Also, if you aren't following already, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and follow me. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.